So to honor the platform, today we're going to be making a panna cotta.
So to make the sauce, first start off by taking your raspberries and gently rinsing them off. Transfer them to your pot and add a couple of tablespoons of sugar. Cook on medium-low heat until the raspberries start to release their juices. Strain out any solids and seeds and then return to heat. Keep simmering until your sauce thickens. Pour into a glass and let cool. Grease your molds. Here I'm just using a regular old muffin pan. Measure out 250 milliliters of heavy cream and 50 milliliters of milk. Place into a pot with 50 grams or a quarter cup of sugar. I added a tablespoon of honey here, but that is completely optional. Stir frequently until the mixture arrives at a nice boil. Then add your bloomed gelatin and mix until it's completely dissolved. Remove from heat and then pour the mixture into your molds. Refrigerate overnight.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye.